Welcome to our review channel for essential kitchen gadgets. Today we're going to talk about this incredible food processor and vegetable chopper. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the latest news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left this secure link to the website that sells this food processor and vegetable chopper in the description. The Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper is a practical and efficient kitchen appliance designed to simplify food preparation tasks. This model boasts a BPA-free construction, stainless steel blades, a spacious 12-cup bowl, and a 450-watt motor, all wrapped in a sleek black exterior. With dimensions of 8.76-inch dx 9.55 wx 16.25h, it fits comfortably on most kitchen counters. One of the standout features of this food processor is its easy stack and snap assembly. Unlike many other food processors that require tricky twisting and locking mechanisms, the Hamilton Beach model assembles effortlessly, making it extremely user-friendly. The simple function guide further enhances ease of use, clearly indicating which blade to use and which button to press for different tasks. This guide takes the guesswork out of the process, ensuring you can chop, puree, shred, and slice with confidence. The 12-cup sealed bowl with a pour spout is another notable feature. This design prevents leaks when processing liquid recipes like salsas, soups, and dressings, which is a significant advantage over many other food processors that often leak when handling liquids. The large capacity also means you can prepare large quantities of food in one go, making it ideal for families and entertaining. The Big Mouth feed tube is designed to accommodate whole foods, significantly reducing the need for pre-cutting. This feature saves time and makes food preparation faster and more convenient. The powerful 450-watt motor provides ample power to process a wide variety of ingredients, from hard vegetables to soft fruits, and offers both high and low speeds, as well as a pulse function for quick bursts of power. The Hamilton Beach food processor includes a reversible disc that shreds on one side and slices on the other, providing versatility in food preparation. The stainless steel S-blade is perfect for chopping and pureeing, while the reversible disc handles shredding and slicing with ease. In terms of maintenance, all removable parts, including the blades, bowl, and lid, are dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. The unit also features a handy cord storage area, helping to reduce countertop clutter when the processor is not in use. Positive points. Easy stack and snap assembly eliminates the hassle of twisting and locking. Simple function guide makes the appliance incredibly user-friendly. Large 12-cup sealed bowl prevents leaks and spills. Big Mouth feed tube reduces pre-cutting. Powerful 450-watt motor with multiple speeds and pulse function. Dishwasher-safe components for easy cleanup. Negative points. The 450-watt motor, while powerful, might not be as robust as higher-end models for very tough tasks. Some users may find the large size cumbersome if they have limited counter space. Why you should or shouldn't buy this product? You should consider buying the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor if you value ease of use, convenience, and efficiency in your kitchen appliances. Its user-friendly design, large capacity, and powerful motor make it ideal for preparing a wide range of foods quickly and effortlessly. The easy assembly and cleaning processes further add to its appeal, making it a great choice for busy individuals and families. However, if you require a food processor for extremely tough tasks or prefer a more compact model due to limited counter space, you might want to explore other options. Nonetheless, for most home cooks, this Hamilton Beach model offers an excellent balance of functionality, convenience, and value. Let me know in the comments what you think of this food processor and vegetable chopper, and if you have any questions, let me know so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.